In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from OKX Wallet. So first thing that you need to do is you need to open your app, and from there you need to go to the portfolio section. And if you haven't started yet on OKX Wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn up to $30 in crypto also for free. Anyway, let's dive into the video. So from your portfolio section, go ahead and click on withdraw in here. And when you click on that, you can see withdraw crypto or withdraw cash. So this one is up to you what you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw crypto, you're going to click on this. And then it's basically really simple. You're going to select the asset, then you're going to select the network, and then you're going to paste in the wallet address that you want to send your crypto to. So go ahead and do that if you want to withdraw crypto. And if you want to withdraw cash or money to your bank account, click on withdraw again and then click on withdraw cash. And in order to withdraw cash to your bank account, you first need to make a deposit with the designated bank account you want to withdraw to in order to verify this bank account with your OKX wallet. So after you have done that, you can select SEPA in here, then click add account, and then your bank account will be recognized by OKX wallet. And then you can click on next and then go through the process to withdraw money to your bank account. So it's pretty straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.